I frequently have to help people understand what are the healthier types of macros. And so macros are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. People always want to say good, bad, and I'm trying to say, well, we're not really talking good and bad per se. I want to try to be thinking about what's healthy and what's best for my health and my purposes right now, instead of the good-bad dichotomy. So healthy oils. There's one kind of fat that I really encourage people to begin adding to their diet. It comes naturally. Nature has provided this oil forever, and we've just now kind of learned what it does and why it's so good for us. It's called MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides. You can find this in every grocery store. It's in the cooking aisle. Go to the fats and oil section, find all the coconut oils, and there will be a bottle that says liquid coconut oil. It will probably also say MCT oil. MCT oil cannot be used for anything in the human body except for energy. It's perfectly clear, odorless, tasteless, and it's magical. Thanks for watching. And if you want to know some more really cool life hacks to get some balance in your health, then watch one of the next videos on our page.